Achieving greatness: the path to success. Achieving greatness requires dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to your goals. It's about putting in the effort and going the extra mile, even when faced with challenges and obstacles along the way. In this video, we will explore the journey to greatness and the mindset required to overcome hurdles and reach your full potential. 1. The power of dedication. 1.1 Embracing the process. Achieving greatness is not an easy task. It demands unwavering dedication and a willingness to embrace the process. Each step you take, every late night you work, and every setback you encounter are all part of the journey. Embracing the process allows you to learn, grow, and discover your true strength and potential. 1.2 The sweet taste of success. The harder you work, the sweeter the taste of success becomes. When you pour your heart and soul into something, the satisfaction and joy that await you at the finish line are incomparable. Dedication fuels your drive and pushes you to achieve greatness, making the rewards all the more meaningful. 2. Perseverance. Overcoming challenges. 2.1 Embracing challenges as opportunities. Challenges are not setbacks, they are opportunities for growth. In the pursuit of greatness, you will face numerous obstacles. Instead of getting discouraged, see each challenge as a chance to learn, improve, and push your limits. Embrace the difficulties and let them fuel your determination to overcome them. 2.2 The journey of resilience. Resilience is key to achieving greatness. Every setback you encounter is a testament to your determination and ability to bounce back. It is through resilience that you develop the strength to face adversity head-on, learn from failures, and keep moving forward. 3. The unwavering commitment. 3.1 The long road to success. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. It is the result of countless hours of dedication, sacrifices, and unwavering belief in yourself. Commitment is the driving force that keeps you focused on your goals, even when the path becomes challenging. It is the willingness to put in the necessary effort and persist until you achieve your dreams. 3.2 Staying focused and determined. To achieve greatness, you must stay focused on your goals. It's easy to get distracted or discouraged along the way, but a strong commitment helps you stay on track. With unwavering determination, you can overcome any obstacle and keep pushing forward, inching closer to your ultimate success. 4. The fulfillment of greatness. Reaching greatness is an incredible journey that culminates in a sense of fulfillment beyond measure. The satisfaction and joy that come with achieving your dreams are unparalleled. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you finally accomplish it. In conclusion, achieving greatness requires dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to your goals. Embrace the process, see challenges as opportunities for growth, and stay focused on your dreams. Remember that the path to greatness is not meant to be easy, but the rewards are undoubtedly worth it. Believe in yourself and let your unwavering determination pave the way to your ultimate success. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.